What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my 2-week update on this hair, and I'm also going to show you guys how I define my curls and bring it back to life. Yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. Basically what you're gonna need is some hair ties or something to hold your hair up, some water, well, a spray bottle, and any curl defining cream that you may use on your hair, and a brush. I use a dimming brush. I'm just gonna take one of these neck strips and I'm just gonna tie it around my hairline, and that's basically to protect the hairline itself as well as my edges, because I already did my edges beforehand. So yeah, so once you do that, oh yeah, make sure you have a dry towel handy too, because it get a little messy. I just split my hair into two equal parts, and I just tackle each side one by one. That's pretty much what I do. Okay, so a little bit about this hair over the 2-week span. It's pretty decent hair. I really love the texture of it. One thing I could say though is the cap itself is kind of big, because I have a lot of space in the back. The back of my hair, I have a lot of space. Like, you guys are going to see when I start detangling. Like, you're going to see parts of the wig. Oh, see, look, right here. You can see some of this stuff is not intact. It's, stuff like that. So, yeah, for average head, you might need to use the straps and all that good stuff to adjust it. This is not going to stay. I already know it's not. I do get a lot of tangling, not a lot of shedding, which is a good thing, but I get a lot of tangling. I cannot run my hand through the hair without getting snags and stuff, as you can see now. But I think that's pretty typical with curly hair. It's just something to keep in mind, because I know a lot of people like to touch their hair, and by continuously just pulling through the hair like that, that can provoke shedding. So I would just keep that in mind. I'm gonna just show you guys one section and I'll speed the rest up. So what I'm gonna do with this section is just detangle from the ends and work my way up. I'm using a dimming brush. I like the dimming brush better for curls because they have smaller little bristles, so it's easier to get each strand of hair and make it more uniform when you're defining your curls. So I'm literally just gonna brush my way from the bottom to the top. Make sure you get both sides, because just because it's all smooth on one side doesn't guarantee the same thing on the other side. So make sure you're combing thoroughly through the hair. And guys, this hair gets really big, but I still think it's a 130 density, because you're gonna see once I wet the hair, it gets so small. But as you guys can see, that's how much space I have left in the back. But yeah, just continue to thoroughly comb it out. So soft. Boom. So once I curled it out and I find that there are no tangles or anything like that, look how big you got. Wow. Next step is to just spray your hair. I'm just spraying it, making sure it's completely saturated or whatever. And this is where it gets messy, because it's a lot of water being put onto the hair. And then once I see the curls start to form, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. Boom, 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 boom. Run my fingers through it. And I'm gonna take my curl defining cream. I'm using the coconut curls. It's really good, y'all, and it smells heavenly. I'm just gonna use one pump of this for each strand, well, each section of hair that I use. I'm gonna rub it through my fingers, and then I'm just gonna rub through the hair again, making sure to get each strand completely saturated as well. It smells so good, y'all. And then once that happens, I'm just gonna take the dimming brush and I'm gonna comb through. And I work from mid strands to the bottom. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so this is how it's looking. The ends are looking really good. Boom. Sometimes I do a little finger coil, but I'm not going to do that just for the sake of this video, so you guys can see how it reverts back to its natural state. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue this section right here, and then I'll show you guys the comparison of one side when it's defined and one side when it's not. So yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, this hair shrinks a lot. Like, it, I don't know how to describe it, because this is how the hair looks. This is not like combed out or anything like that. This is just a week old curls. This is what it looks like. And once you wet it, look at it. It just goes straight to your scalp. Like, I don't understand. But you can see like the difference. Like, it gets really small and then it gets really big. It gets even bigger than this once I start combing it out. But yeah, so that's basically what I do. I just, you know, spritz some water on it, blah blah blah. I don't put like conditioner or anything in my water. It's just strictly water, and then I just use the curl defining cream. And yeah, I'm just gonna scrunch it up, wait for it to dry. I'm just gonna continue to do this, and I'll come back to show you guys how it all looks together, and then an update halfway through the drying process, and then how it looks completely dry. Okay, so I completely defined all of the hair, and the curls are looking so juicy right now. Like, while the hair is drying, I'm basically just gonna go over my hairline really quick. I'm just gonna straighten it a little bit just to make it look more natural. Reached the halfway mark, you guys. It's about 75% dry, and this is what it's looking like. It's really cute. Hold up, let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm just waiting for like the top part to dry, and then I'll show you guys how it looks completely dried, and when it's taking its shape and all that good stuff. Looks really good though so far. Okay, so it's still not dry, but I gotta go. This is what it looks about 95% dry. As you can see, it got bigger. The curls look good, they look juicy. It's gonna get bigger than this. Hopefully by the time I take my thumbnail picture, you guys see the real deal. It's been holding up after 2 weeks. Minimum shedding, a lot of tangling though. What else? I sleep with it on. I've been wearing it for 2 weeks straight, literally. So, yeah. This is what it's looking like. Uh-oh, don't mind that little part that's coming up. Isn't it cute? And that's it for my video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any more videos. I've come to the decision that I'll be uploading weekly, maybe twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. Just know there's a video coming to my channel every week, so be on the lookout for that. And that is pretty much all I have for you guys, so I'll see you in my next one.